Hey divas and divos, it's me, just Londa. So I wanted to give you a little bit of an over the top basic look. Like it literally will probably take you less than 15 minutes to get this together, but because I was knocking things down and stuff like that, it took a little bit more. But typically it'll take you about 15 minutes to get this over the basic, over the top look. Now I did not include my brows because we're going through some things. So hit the subscribe button, join the fam, join the madness, join the fun, and let's go ahead and roll that beautiful baked bean footage. Alright, so for the sake of the video, I've already kind of prepped my skin. So first I went in with my Hello Good Stuff Milk Moisturizer from Essence. I really like this. This is really good. I know you can't say it. Ulta. And then I went in with my LYS Serum Gripping Primer, so just for it to just start to sink in. Etched out my eyebrows with Colourpop brow, and then I set it with the gel from Juvia's Place, and yeah, Juvia's Place concealer. So I want to start off with just a basic look, right? So I'm going to take this Mario matte palette. Let me see. I think I'm going with this shade right here and just kind of put that all over the lid with a fluffy brush. And just kind of buff it out because I want to look flawlessly basic. That's what I'm calling it. That's what I'm going to call this look. So now that we have our base on, let's go in with an eyeliner. And this is a black eyeliner from Ultimate, LA Girl, Ultimate Intense Stay On Eyeliner. Ultimate Black. And we're just going to line the... So we're just lining the upper lash line and then the waterline as well. Upper lash line and the in-between line, the gaps, those gaps. I'm not going to worry about how it looks because that's not what we're here for. I want to go in with this chocolatey brown and like a pencil brush and just smudge that out on the lash line. Okay, so now I want to do a little bit of color correction. Normally I don't do this, okay? Normally I don't. But because I want to look flawlessly basic, I'm going to go in with my MAC paint pot and kind of stipple underneath my eye right here just to get some of that coloring out. Now typically your concealer will do the heavy dutiness of it, but it's okay. And I know in here kind of have like that grayish tint to it. So I'm just going to try to get all that out. Okay, so for concealer of choice today, I'm going to go in with the Dior Skin Correct in the color 4.5N, which is a neutral color. And because I color correct, we are good to go. And you know, I don't go in with a damp sponge for the most part, and this is dry. Let's go in with a little bit of contour. For contour, we're going to use Congo from Juvia's Place. And we're just going to blend all that out. So I am enjoying Danessa Meyer's Yummy Skin Foundation, and she's up there. She's almost like one of my favorites. So that's what we're gonna go in with, Yummy Skin Foundation, and my color is 19G. So to set underneath my eyes, I am going to use Nars translucent powder in crystal. I forgot that I had this. I forgot that I liked this. Yeah, I just kind of forgot about it. I think I kind of did like a on Nars, on Nars tutorial and never posted it. I don't know what happened. Can't remember. That looks so good. Oh. So I'm setting the contours of my face with Epic from Sephora Pro palette. Even though I don't really care for Jet Setter because I don't feel like looking for anything else, I'm going to use Jet Setter for bronzer to snatch everything all together. I'm debating if I want to do anything to the bottom lash line. Like, I really don't. Like, I'm really loving this nothing underneath the lash line. So we'll see if I'll come back to it. I'm also going to take a little bit of LA from that Pro palette and put that as a highlighter. I think I'm not going to put on matte, any falsies today. So I am going to go in with my Essence Plus Volumizing Fibers. I really like this mascara. It's really cute. And the more coats you put on, the better your lashes look. So I really like this. And it's inexpensive. Oh, look at that. Little subtle contours, the glow. Just looking scrumptious. I love it, love it, love it. I don't think I need my buffing technique today. Like, I thought I was going to use it today and I pulled out powders for it, but I'm not going to use it today. We'll see, because I could be lying. So you know what, let me put myself together and then we'll come back and we'll see if I'm lying or not. Alright, Divas and Divos, this is the finished look. Oh my god, look at Scrumptious Basic. But 2.0. Okay, so I did actually do a light buffing technique, and I did use the Glowish powder by Huda, and my color is 09 Extreme Tan. I also did put something on the inner corner, which is by Makeup by Mario, and that was in Matte 2, which is the second lightest color that's in that palette. On my lips, I do have by Mario lip liner, which is whose color is this? Jeff. And then I have Juvia's Place Lady, And I topped it off with Turkish Delight by Nars. And again, this is just a basic, an overly basic look. Like, it didn't take long, like you're out the door, but you look well put together. You know what I'm saying? So thanks for watching, rating, subscribing. Let me know if you like this, because I want to do a battle. I think we're going to do a battle. I'm not going to tell you what the battle is, but I think we're going to do a battle in foundations, because I have a theory on something. We'll see. So again, thanks for watching, rating, subscribing, all that good jazz that makes me feel so warm and fuzzy inside. Peace and peace. Bye.